Alright, so this is the shot that we're working with today. We're going to be painting here. I got this gesso panel. It's 11 by 14. And we're going to be trying to capture the inlet jetty and the rock out there and some of the wave motion. Alright, so we got my usual palette. Got titanium white, cadmium lemon hue, bright red, alizarin crimson, Venetian red, ultramarine blue, phthalo blue, and some burnt umber. Alright, I got the canvas tone. Now I'm going to try to put in the shapes. Getting some, and I kind of want my horizon and then the rock can jetty out to right here. And we got the other rock over here. Alright, so the rain's coming down pretty hard here, as you can see by my glasses and by the palette. It's been coming down, but even though I didn't get that gray color, I can always go back over the top and get it. But I am actually very happy with how this turned out. There's some work that I could do to make this better, but overall I think it was good. Composition's good and it's a good study.